What's up everyone, I'm Jason C. Welcome to the Mash and Drum. Today I have a last minute Christmas gift idea for anyone you know who loves cocktails or want to take their cocktail skills to the next level. They've done bourbon, they've done gin, they've done vodka, kind of been there, done that. Enter Shaker and Spoon. Shaker and Spoon is a subscription service and teaches you how to make bar quality cocktails from recipes designed by award-winning mixologists. So I saw Chad and Sarah from It's Bourbon Night talk about them a little bit, so I was interested, and they were kind enough to send me 3 of their cocktail boxes to see how I like the experience and see how bad I am at making a cocktail, or will I nail it? Let's find out on the Mash and Drum. Shaker and Spoon was founded in 2015 in Brooklyn by 2 designers with an overfilled liquor cabinet. They got tired of buying a bunch of sherry and brandy and really not using them again for cocktails. I feel like we've all done that. We read a recipe online and of how to make a crazy cocktail. We go to the store, we hunt for them, and then when we get back home and we make the cocktail, we really never use that stuff again. Shaker and Spoon builds these boxes around one singular spirit, and they try to give you different styles of cocktail making. They give you the recipe cards you need, they give you how-to videos, all to guide you through mixing and garnishing the cocktails step by step, and they even give you a glossary that explains any unfamiliar bartending terms. So what's cool is the Grinch over here, he's holding on to the box, and each box that you get includes all the ingredients other than the alcohol. So you get enough to make about 12 cocktails, 4 from each recipe. Everything you need: syrups, bitters, garnishes, infusions, and other fancy things. They give you specialty syrups that are all house made, all created in small batches in Red Hook, Brooklyn, New York, baby. All right, so let's make a cocktail and let's see how this works. So what I chose, the box is called the Negroni 2. Now, I love a good Negroni in the fall, but do drink them around the holidays as well. Apparently, 3 Shaker and Spoon mixologists got together to take a deep dive on this Italian cocktail. They looked across the globe to find new Negroni creations, and they boxed it. All right, so I'm gonna start getting the ingredients here that they sent. That was included in the box. So the Negroni was born in Florence, Italy. The classic Negroni recipe is pretty simple: equal parts gin, Campari, and sweet vermouth. The box contained 3 Negroni variants that you could try: the Capri Crush, the Frutta e Fiori, and the Pacific Negroni. Based on the descriptions, I'm gonna make the Frutta e Fiori, which in Italian means fruit and flowers. All right, so here's the recipe card that they gave me. So in the box, you get all the ingredients to make any of the 3 cocktails. So there's actually way more ingredients that I'm not showing here. I just have the ingredients out for my specific cocktail that I'm making. But for this one, I need Campari hibiscus tea infused gin. I'll tell you how I did that. Strawberry syrup, balsamic vinegar, and 1 to 2 spritzes of Tulsi basil hydrosol. I don't know what that is, but we're about to find out. One thing I do want to mention real quick before we make the cocktail is how convenient they do make everything. Everything is included and the directions are really concise, they're really clear. I mean, I've never heard of half these ingredients, but at least now this helps me get a bit more educated, and I don't have to drive obviously all over the place trying to find all these ingredients to make some of these drinks. They're all right here. So let's go to the directions to make my Frutta e Fiori. So the first thing they tell you to do is to infuse your gin with this hibiscus tea, which I did. So this had to be done a little bit ahead of time for about 6 minutes. This hibiscus tea had to sit and kind of steep into the gin, and it gave it a really nice color. So I'm gonna use that. All right guys, so let's do this together. Here we go. Add the Campari tea infused gin, syrup, and vinegar to a shaker. All right, easy enough, let's do it. All right, so I've added the Campari and the infused gin. Next it says 1 ounce strawberry syrup. I'm really kind of curious to see what this is gonna do. I love strawberry. Ooh, that's pretty cool. All right, strawberry syrup. Next up is half a teaspoon of balsamic vinegar. They actually give you the balsamic vinegar. I thought that was pretty cool. Put that in there. All right, so I think that's it. It just says now to shake vigorously until it's ice cold and shows frost on the outside of the container here, about 15 to 30 seconds. I'm gonna shake this a lot, real loud, so you guys listen to some music and watch me shake this in slow motion. All right, that was a nice workout. So it's nice and frosty on the outside, as you can see now. It says Strain the shaker's contents into a double rocks glass over fresh cubed ice. I got my big one rock. Let's pour this in here. Ooh, that looks very nice. So the last step says spray the Tulsi Basil Hydrosol over the top of the drink. Grab this Basil Hydrosol and see what it does. Spray Tulsi Basil on top of the drinks. It says 1 to 2 spritzes. All right, there we go. Let that sit. Let's see how this cocktail came out, guys. Oh, holy crap. Yeah, it's fruity and it's floral. Hence the name Frutta e Fiori. This one's really good. That's friggin' delicious. The strawberry, I love the strawberry basil combination. That's awesome. All right. So the good thing is I have 2 more recipes that I can mess with, and it's enough to make, well, I already made 1, but I have 11 drinks left based on all the ingredients I've had, which is pretty cool. So let's recap real quickly. Shaker and Spoon is a monthly cocktail subscription box. We'll deliver these craft cocktails right to you. Again, each box has 3 recipes created by these world-class bartenders, as well as enough ingredients for 12 cocktails. So the subscriptions start at about $50 a month, but click the link below in the description and use the code MASHANDDRUM at checkout, or go to shakerandspoon.com/mashanddrum for $20 off your first box. Again, shakerandspoon.com/mashanddrum, or just click the link below and use the code MASHANDDRUM for $20 off your first box. All right, now go get some fun cocktails delivered, and hopefully you're better at this than I am. Cheers, guys, and Merry Christmas.